And for the perfect push-up, position your wrist in a vertical line under your shoulders. Slowly go all the way down until your chest touches the ground. Pause for a second at the bottom so that you can feel your chest stretching, then go all the way back up. Pull your shoulders down for more stability and better chest activation. Another important thing to do is slightly pushing your pelvis in a posterior pelvic tilt and keeping your head up so it doesn't prevent you from going all the way down to the floor. Common mistakes being made are a lack of control on the way down. Slow down your tempo so that you can focus on feeling your chest and triceps working. Also shortening the range of motion. There's a few ways people tend to make this mistake. Common one is bringing the hips down or simply not going all the way up and all the way down. So just make sure to keep your back straight and no cheating. Another mistake is flaring the elbows too much outside. Tucking them in a bit closer to your body will relieve the stress from your shoulders and make the movement feel more natural. Now that you understand the proper technique, let me show you some different push-up variations sorted out from the easiest towards the hardest so that you can pick the one that is suitable for your own level of strength. Your goal is to be moving towards more challenging variations as you get stronger. The easiest would be eccentric push-up. Just focus on the slow negatives, going all the way down, then use the assistance of your knees to push yourself up. This is a great technique to use until you're not strong enough to at least do a couple of reps with the regular push-ups. Therefore, the next progression is the regular push-up. This is actually one of the less difficult versions. Next, slightly more challenging variation is a diamond push-up. Just place your hands next to each other, forming a diamond shape. Positioning your arms this way will allow you to have a better tricep stretch at the bottom and a good chest contraction at the top. Then we have feet elevated push-up. Basically just more difficult variation because now you will be lifting more of your body weight. You can also do feet elevated diamond push-up, again just a bit more challenging way to target chest and triceps from a slightly different angle. Now we're moving on to the most difficult variations. First one is side to side push-up. Here you'll be working one side at a time while using the other arm to assist you. Make sure not to rotate your torso outwards since that would be considered cheating. Next level are feet elevated side to side push-ups. Again, this is just a way to make it more challenging by using more of your body weight. Another way to make the archer push-up more challenging is to simply elevate the arm that you're using as the assistance. Keep in mind that for each of these so far mentioned variations, you can either use the pair of parallettes, some plates, or even a pair of dumbbells to increase the range of motion. This will allow you to go deeper and have a much better stretch at the bottom of the movement, which will make it far more effective regarding the muscle growth. That being said, the next step is to do the regular one-arm push-ups. Here you'll have to spread your legs a bit wider for a better stability and position your arm more inside. Do your best to avoid rotating your body outwards because that is cheating. This movement will also build a tremendous amount of core strength, especially obliques. It's an extremely challenging push-up variation, but if you're crazy enough, next level would be elevated one-arm push-up. Reaching this level will require incredible upper body strength. Everything beyond this is simply just adding more weights by using the weighted vest or whatever you have available. Anyways, that ain't gonna be necessary for most of us regular folks.